Okay, so back to assembling the value finder. I have some white glue. So I'm using acid-free glue, but you can use regular like Elmer's glue. I'm just going to, I decided not to use a glue stick, so I'm just going to put a dot of glue. And then move on to the next one. Actually, it's better to put it on the paper. I'm leaving these in order and not picking them up while I'm gluing because I think it will be easier to keep them in order. It always happens that someone glues them in the wrong order, and it's important to glue them in the right order. Well, I just put it on that side. Trying to keep the spaces even as possible. All you need is a little dot of glue. Okay, so that is glued, and I'm going to let that sit. In fact, I'm going to press that with a book so that I'll put a little extra piece of paper down and press it with a binder I have. And I'm going to let that dry for about half an hour to an hour, and then I'll come back and label my value finder.